Welcome to our audiobook channel, Best Books Club. Adventure of Where's Waldo, based on the beloved series by Martin Handford. Join us as we embark on a journey to find Waldo and his friends in the most incredible and imaginative places. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Our story begins in the bustling town of Waldoville, where Waldo, our beloved traveler, is preparing for his next adventure. But oh no! Waldo has lost his trusty red and white striped hat. Determined to find it, he embarks on an epic quest across time and space. Our first stop takes us to the magnificent ancient Egypt, where Waldo must navigate through the busy markets and towering pyramids. Along the way, he encounters friendly camels, mischievous monkeys, and even a mummy or two. Will Waldo manage to find his hat amidst the chaos? Next, we find ourselves in the heart of the Amazon rainforest. Waldo must trek through dense foliage, swing from vine to vine, and avoid the watchful eyes of playful monkeys. The sounds of exotic birds and the distant roar of a waterfall fill the air. Will Waldo's hat be hidden among the vibrant colors of the rainforest? Our journey continues to the depths of the ocean, where Waldo dives into an underwater world teeming with life. He encounters friendly dolphins, graceful turtles, and magnificent coral reefs. But beware of the mischievous octopuses and sneaky sharks lurking in the shadows. Will Waldo's hat be hidden among the treasures of the sea? As we venture further, we arrive in a land of fantasy and magic. Here, Waldo must navigate through enchanted forests, cross treacherous bridges, and solve riddles to unlock hidden paths. Along the way, he encounters fairies, unicorns, and even a friendly dragon. Will Waldo's hat be concealed among the wonders of this mystical realm? Finally, our journey takes us to the bustling streets of a futuristic city. Neon lights flicker, hovercrafts zoom by, and robots roam the sidewalks. Waldo must navigate through towering skyscrapers and crowded streets filled with people from all walks of life. Will Waldo's hat be hidden among the futuristic technology and bustling cityscape? After all the excitement and countless challenges, Waldo, with the help of his faithful dog Woof, manages to find his hat in the most unexpected place. With a smile on his face and his red and white striped hat back where it belongs, Waldo bids farewell to the incredible worlds he has explored. Our adventure comes to an end. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the imaginative world of Where's Waldo? Join us again for more thrilling escapades. Until then, keep searching for Waldo and his friends in the pages of Martin Handford's beloved books. Happy hunting! Make sure to comment, share, like and subscribe. Audiobook channel Best Books Club.